ball joints out of the knuckle and the tire came off. Should be able to just put it back together and get him in 3-wheel drive and get him to limp out of there. So I think we'll be okay.
Beautiful.
Good?
Yeah, this is the mark right here, so I think it's pretty good. So funny side note, Justin and I were out driving around and we saw this and then they were like, hey, guess who's coming?
Literally minutes later.
Yeah, literally moments later, Rory appears.
Just happened to be in the area.
All right.
So he unpressed the ball joints.
Oh, so maybe we can just put it back together.
I brought the other knuckle, but I don't think we need it. But I did bring the ball joint press and everything. We can just go right back together, and then he'll have 3-wheel drive to get out of here. But
all right,
I'll have you run this.
All right.
Go ahead.
Look, Rory's rappelling.
The way Rory always repels.
Yeah.
With a 17,000-pound winch lowered.
Look at that. Just nice, slow, controlled.
So it took several attempts and we almost had it. I just gunned it, you know, full throttle, and at the we're almost peaking up at the top.
Yeah, it looked like you guys were basically there.
I'm eyeing my tire and it starts to hop just a little bit and then just goes.
Oh.
We almost had it until we didn't.
Right. Famous last words.
Yeah. In
a little bit.
Oh yeah. Well, there's your problem.
Ain't got no ball joints in it.
And she is mangled.
Hey Mike, you got your reels, dude.
Oh yeah. We are living well.
We go to the back of the canyon and kind of come back. It's gonna drop, so watch your foot.
Okay. There you go.
You didn't break the knuckle. You pulled the ball joints out, which is a very common thing with these damn things.
How do we get that better so it doesn't happen?
Stay off the big obstacles.
Okay, fair enough.
As soon as that U-joint breaks, and the yokes will bind up.
Oh, hello. These items, trade you. All right.
Oh, right here. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want the press?
I'm trying to think. Slide that down. We need the ball joint press.
Okay, here. There we go.
I'm thinking about holding this in and putting the ball joint press right here and on this and pushing it back together still as one unit.
Yeah, could work.
It could. It could also go horribly wrong.
The bottom one might not want to line up right.
Yeah, well, I mean, once you get it all together, but everything's kind of galled up, but you can usually get them to press. I mean, they came out as a unit.
Right?
Assembly is the reverse of disassembly.
Yeah, that's right.
Careful, it's heavy.
So you hold that.
All right.
Put this up in here. Latch this, and then put it on there.
Okay.
And then we're going to try and force it back together just the way it is.
All right. All right.
Tighten her up a hair. All right. Try it a little bit. Keep going. All right, go ahead and undo it.
Okay.
Guess we'll have to do it the hard way.
Right?
One at a time.
Yeah.
Look at Mike in his weekend casual clothes.
I know. Got my
Button
fancy
down.
clothes on today.
Nice, man.
Ah,
Oh, careful, dude.
quit shaking the truck. I'm under it.
Try not to shift it around.
Bingo.
Right? Good. Okay, this is trying to drop.
Okay. Like that?
Just like that. Let me get this one lined up.
Okay.
Usually they're slightly easier to get to.
You couldn't ask for a harder spot to be parked.
Well, you can't get the record where you can pick up.
Speaking of which, how do you plan on getting that tire on?
Yeah, it's going to be interesting.
Nowhere to stand.
At least it's inconvenient. Just a hair more. Good.
Pull on this, pull on that, lift front of vehicle, get tire on.
All right, Mike. Hey, Mike.
Yes.
You drop an airline off the truck?
Yep. All right. Air compressor going. Our hose reel just barely made it.
That's where we're gonna go. I can pretty much dead pull you, so just put it in drive and barely help out.
Nice.
So if you want, we can cruise over here and that one steep downhill,
Yeah.
I can hook a strap and help lower you down so that you're not just taking off.
Probably a good idea.
Yeah.
guys back up a little and turn passenger and then try it. Good? Now this way?
Pushing and pulling most of the way out of here. I think you can drive most of the way over. We'll just hook up the strap, pull you to the top. Then when we get up top, I'll hook behind you. We'll lower you down, then pull you up the last one, lower you down the last one. Just the easiest way. So if you want to go ahead and start working that
going on over here? Yo!
It's so much worse. Exactly. Looking for the brighter side.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Positivity.
You could need scuba gear.
With positivity like that, I don't need reality.